Hello, this is Willie with the Basement Kings. We're in Dallas, Texas, where we're looking at a walkout basement that have already shown signs of leaking. Right after they pulled the forms off the wall on one side, they've been able to see water already coming through, and they couldn't determine why. Well, the honeycombing in the wall and the type of system that was done has made this project where it's already leaking, and they haven't even removed all the forms. So our suggestion, since this is a slab on grade type of basement, is for us to put in our what we call a bowl method. Wrap the floor and seal the floor 100%, and then seal the walls to the floor, and then we will never see this project again. And add a sump into that wall over there. A double basin will do it. And we would suggest putting in a backup and at least one dehumidifier. The size basement, we would use a Wise Air 100, and that would pretty much fill this basement up. So now that we've seen it, let's get busy.
Thanks for watching. If you like our videos, then please subscribe or like our channels and visit us at thebasementkings.net. Thank you and have an excellent day.